First at 5 o'clock, the murder of a Tulsa police officer leads to a new law that limits the release of body cam and dash cam video when an officer is killed in the line of duty. Video of when Sergeant Craig Johnson was shot and killed was released to the public, and that's what led to the creation of this new law. News on 6's Emery Bryan joins us with what that law says. Emery?
Well, the shooting death of Sergeant Johnson was captured by multiple police cameras and released as a public record. That law has now changed, so video like that would be released now only with the approval of a judge. Sergeant Johnson's widow and dozens of officers were at a ceremonial signing of Senate Bill 968 in Tulsa. Two area lawmakers came up with the legislation after the murder of Johnson and the shooting of Officer Arash Zarkashan. Graphic video of the crime was made public.
I understand that we want transparency, but I think there are things that people just don't need to see, and I certainly don't want to see the death of another law enforcement officer.
Governor Stitt signed a copy of the bill today at the police officers' memorial in North Tulsa. Johnson's widow stood with Zarkashan and a class of police cadets as the bill was signed.
And it's because of these folks behind me right here that our communities are safe. And so as long as I'm governor, we're going to support, we're going to promote, we're going to protect law enforcement.
The police video of the shooting helped convict the shooter, but also spread widely on the internet, where even the most graphic portions could be viewed by anyone. The new law doesn't prevent that from ever happening, but requires an order from a judge for the release of the video.
All this means is that on a video where a law enforcement officer is depicted in death, then that video then goes before a judge, and a judge decides if the public should see that video prior to it being shown in a courtroom.
And today's signing was only ceremonial. It's already the law in Oklahoma. Emery Bryan, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.